Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I brought one website along with that another website which is highly helpful for the developers, or you might be a DevOps engineer, or you might be a MLOps or AIOps engineer in order to work with the repositories. Let's say you are searching for the repositories, which is you want to do POC or you want to do any practice, but you're not finding a good repositories. Even though you find good repositories, but you're not able to understand what is the code. Okay, so to make you more familiar to understand in a visualized manner, so here is the one website that is called Git Diagram. Okay. If you go and search for Git Diagram, open this website, and here you can see you just need to give a repository link here, so that if you click on this diagram, then it will give you a cold diagram for you to understand what exactly it is and what's happening and how it is get connected with all the things. So let's take any one open source, open public repository, ecom repo GitHub. Okay, you can just search this one, go here, take one Evershop or Fashion Cube, anything. You just copy this. Don't copy this one, take this one, because in the last it is adding dot git, right? You just go and paste and click on diagram. Then this, yeah, you can see the code diagram, how it is get connected. You can see here Docker container orchestration, a GraphQL API gateway from the layers, and how it is getting connected from your front store in the React, and how it is routing towards the all your CMS module, authentication, promotion, checkout module, all this. You can see this diagram. Let's go to any other repository, e-commerce site, or let's take Terraform. Okay, let's take this one. I'll go copy, paste. Doing an explanation to understand the repository, and then it will structure it. Wait for it, creating a component, and now it is making a reasoning about the diagram structure. Wait for it, wait for it. Now it's generating a diagram, you can see here. Yes. So this is how all these components are connected, from the application deployment, trigger deploy, Terraform infrastructure, infrastructure as a code. From there, how it is state lock management, networking, global IAM roles and modules, and also updates with your cluster, and how it is get connected with this repository. So if you have any repository for infrastructure, if you are also having a repository for your application, or you're having any repository related to anything, if you're not understanding it, how the code is being, so then you can generate a diagram and understand it. And one more thing is, let's say you have this repository. Okay, and when you go inside this app, you have multiple files, right? In deploy also you have multiple files, and if you come to this Terraform, you have other files, subfolders. In the subfolder, one more subfolder, in that you have file. So you just want to give this to a chat GPT, and you want to ask to generate a new code, or you want to explain, you want to explanation from the chat GPT or any other LLM models, okay, Gen AI models. It could be your DeepSeek, Grok, chat GPT, anything, okay. So when you're going to ask, the LLM need a proper code. So how can you give this entire repository to a ChatGPT? If you go and give this URL and tell the ChatGPT to read, Yes, it will read minimum only. It is not having a maximum visibility to read it. Complete content which is inside the files. Okay. So how you can make ChatGPT to understand? How you can collect this information? So for that, I have one more website. You just go search for Git ingest. Go to this website now. So this website is actually going to print your repository. So let me go and give this URL here. When you give this ingest, so it is going to, these are examples you can also try. So it is going to give you the repository directory structure, what files are there and how it is structured, and also each file content it will give. You can see here. So the file name, and also it will give you like this. You see it come down .tf, Terraform, and the region name and the network. And if you come down, so this is a file, Terraform Global IAM directory. In that, you have this all. So you can just copy. What you do? Go to ChatGPT and just copy it, paste, you can see. And now go here, not this one, copy it, come here, paste here. Now you can ask something to rewrite, refactor, or to do something with your code. Whatever you ask, the ChatGPT will do the same. So this is helpful for DevOps engineers, or you might be a developer also. It is helpful to you to do a code with any ChatGPTs or any other DeepSeek and all to give the simplified manner. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much and wait for the next video. I'm coming up with the best tools again.